If you like Japanese food, this is a set where you can make Musubi or Onigiri. And this also is really great for Spam Musubi and Onigiri. And the reason why is because it comes with this Spam slicer. So you lay the Spam on here and then you just pull it down and it slices all the Spam into even slices, which is amazing. And then if you want to make the Musubi, fill this up with your rice and then you lay the Spam on top and it molds the rice into the proper shape. And then to get the rice and the Spam out, you just push it out with this. We haven't yet made the Musubi, but we have made the Onigiri. And I'll show you, I'll add pictures in here. But with the Onigiri, you fill this up with rice and then you put some meat like Spam or crab meat or shrimp or whatever inside. And then you put some additional rice on top. And then the cap pushes it all together so that it has a nice shape. And then once you're done kind of mushing it together, it has a little pushy, flexible backside to help get the rice out. Now, this set is really great if you're not creating Musubi or Onigiri for a lot of people. If it's you and someone else, you can make a couple of these really quick for just a couple of people. But if you have 4 or 5 people, this might make the process, this might not be enough to make the process and enough time to, it'll be more time consuming the more people that you have to feed basically. But this is a great starter set or a great set if you are, like I said, doing it for 1 or 2 people. It's also textured on the inside so that the rice doesn't stick. But yes, this part is my favorite part of this set. I would definitely recommend it if you have 1 or 2 people to feed.